So guys, I've seen a lot of acts, TikTok viral, Pinterest viral, whatever type of acts. I decided to share some of the fashion acts that you really actually use. These fashion acts are tested and tried. I know they work. I find them useful for myself. I use it for my own personal style, and I use it for the particular skirt I'm wearing as a dress. So yeah, let's get into this video. If you're new here, my name is Magdalene, on channel talk about fashion, travel, and lifestyle. I do believe if you look good, you feel your best. So let's get into this fashion acts that I know you actually find them very useful. You actually use this one because they are tested, trial by moi, and I know they actually do work. So let's get into how the strong or starting out with what I'm actually wearing is this skirt I'm wearing as a floral strapless dress. Yeah, so I'm styling it with this my brooch from Loewe. This Nuevo anagram brooch is really nice. It makes this outfit look so chic and fun. And we insert the full clip for you guys. So I wear this is a normal maxi skirt. I decided to wear it as a dress. So I pulled it up, then folded some pieces by the side and used my brooch to hold it down. This simple way, the brooch adds a kind of interest to this outfit. Makes it look nice. Look like I bought the dress like this, with a metal design by the side. And actually, if you actually are such that shop a lot, you realize that some dresses that actually come designed like this. So here I got my own print summary dress from a skirt, and I'm loving how it turned out. So all I'm doing now is add an evening kind of earring to elevate the dress. Then this you can add an evening bag, a pair of heels. You can wear it for a date. And if it's for a night out and you don't want to be so cold, then you can wear a scarf over it. You can wear a blazer over it. I think blazer options that may be okay with this is this shawl blazer will be so perfect with it on top of this. So let me try it on for you guys to see. It'll be really nice with this dress. I may even wear this together to work as a normal work dress. You can see it's me like I'm wearing a floral dress inside and a blazer over it that's tied by the side. This is giving me elevated chic beauty. So I can see myself wearing this for a work day. I created my own dress from a skirt and I'm loving I found that. So guys, are you gonna try this act? Because it's something you should try with your maxi skirt that's making you feel like you have a Maria Maka skirt but you don't know what to do. The next act is something that I've seen for a while and I've been applying it to my style. That's how to use your scarf as a choker. So I we start how I did it and what I used to style. So this way you just carry your scarf, make it your typical triangle. Remember your shapes in mathematics. Anyway, so you make the shape, then you put it across your arm, then you pick this from underneath and then you twist one, two. You can twist as much as possible. I like to twist two twist, then I pull it up. All the effort I have, it makes it into like a flower which I can wear anywhere. Can wear it on my shoulder. I used to wear this on my t-shirt to add an interest to it. If I can find a picture or had it, you can wear it as a choker. You can wear it. For me, I feel I can still wear this as a belt. You know, this is very nice. I will insert the full clip for you guys to see. So you can do a lot with the scarves. Scarf has always been such that every lady needs to elevate their look. So without a scarf, I don't know what you've been doing because typically I used to think that scarf are just used as head scarf and you use it to go to church or a religious gathering and that's it. But ever since I discovered you can do a lot with your scarf, and if you're such that have been looking for how to get these choker necklaces and you don't want to actually get choker necklaces because it's kind of trendy. I know choker necklaces that are floral has been going off and on the trends. So the best way for you to be very conservative and actually get the bang for your butt is to get for your buck and money you paid with it. Is to get your scarf and make it choker necklace to wear it when it's trendy. And when it's not trendy, do you can just still wear it when it's in trend, out of trend. So yeah, it's a very simple act you should try out because this I love it to wear it for an evening night out. I wear it like whenever I use my scarf as a choker. I don't bother about necklaces. That's my own necklace. If you wonder what happened to the extra, so you can just tie the extra and fold them back in. It will be like a very nice thick choker necklace for you. So let's get when we have our long sleeve shirt, we just don't want to wear it because it's long sleeve. We feel like let me just make it up. And sometimes when you try to pull your long sleeve up, you have to keep adjusting all through the day. And that's one thing, if you know me personally aside YouTube, you know that I don't like adjusting and pulling and tugging at anything. So yeah, this arc is something that most of the girls out there do. So your sleeve, you just use a rubber band. I'll put the insert for you guys to see how I did it. So you put the rubber band into the length that you want the sleeve to be. When you tie it, then you pull off your sleeve up and it will hold it in place. Hair tie are very elastic and they don't really give you that much doesn't cut your circulation, is comfortable. So that's how I highly recommend you get hair ties like this. They are very, very easy. They are soft, they don't eat into your skin. So yeah, you don't want to be trying a hack and it's making you uncomfortable. So this is a very simple hack you should definitely try. I love this whenever I want to make my blazer look casual. I don't want to be looking so corporate girly and all that. So yeah, this is a very simple hack you should definitely try, especially when you want to make your outfit look very, very casual. You can make your, it actually has a ruched detail. So if you're such that you don't want to just cough it up, but you want to make it look like it's ruched or you bought it like that, this is a very simple hack to apply to your blazers and you definitely love. You can actually apply this for your other outfit that you want to move the sleeves up, not folding the sleeve. But for your normal top, sometimes when you move the sleeve, especially for my turtleneck top or those thin tops, they actually sit in place and don't have to adjust too much. But for blazers, they don't. So that's why airtight is going to get the job done and you will love it. So this particular hack, I saw it on Pinterest. If you've not been on Pinterest, actually the ladies used to feel like Pinterest is a place where you look for how to style your outfit better or get inspiration for outfit. But yeah, Pinterest does that, including giving you hacks and make your outfit look better. So yeah, this I typically like to apply it for mixing my two metals. Two necklaces I'm used on the inside. You see it by the side. Here I was able to style these two necklaces. Normally I love to layer my necklace. I could have just wear them like this, one on top of each other. But when you do this arc and you make sure they are the ones they are layering over each other, like I use the hook of this on the hook of that one, like I swap their positions and I draw it down. It gives you this very nice choker in which you can pull this up to be very, very tight on the next of it to still be short long enough. They put it to be very tight like a choker and this one will be the long portion. So you're able to create like this, like you make it look like you brought them together, and that's one thing I love about this particular act. It's very simple, it's beautiful. And I've seen some acts where they use jewelry as neck like bracelet, like the way I'm wearing this bracelet, I can actually use my necklace as a bracelet. I don't know how they do it, but you just do this as an interesting bracelet. That's an act I've not really tried, but if you try the act, let me know down below. Do you really like this particular act of using your necklaces as a bracelet? Let me know down below. Very simple act is you using your brooch to create different design on your outfit. So you see, I use my brooch on this skirt to make it into a very nice funky dress. You can also do the same thing with your blouses and your tops. You can just fold them into different direction. And result is into the clip. You see the one I did with my tank top. I was able to make a ruche style with my brooch. And it's as if I put a different design on it. You see it in the inside. It gives your outfit a different interest. This kind of brooch, you say, but this particular brooch is the only brooch that can do this. No, if you get a very stylish, unique brooch that can give you a statement and a pop, it's not just one basic big brooch. You can actually get a small act you can do is to. It's an act I saw on Pinterest and I saw that you can actually shorten your maxi skirt, which I do with this particular maxi skirt I'm wearing. The skirt, I was able to fold it to the side. I created a kind of ruched detail by the side and I hooked it with a pin from the inside, which you can actually do with a safety pin from this side. This is another way of shortening your skirt. You can actually fold your skirt inside and fold it into your skirt and shorten it as much as you want. But this particular one, I just don't want to shorten the skirt because it will make the act look very boring for me. So I decided to just create a ruched detail with it, fold it up, and I'm loving the weight on that. You see how I did it in the inside. This way, this skirt is looking like not a normal basic B skirt that is just there. It's not giving me the ruffle I actually wanted initially, but I was able to create a different design with it by pulling some material to one side and giving it a very simple dress. This particular way I styled this skirt with this particular act, you can make it a very normal, simple. You can wear this as a sarong for your beach wear. You can wear it as an evening outfit with a very cool, nice top, a sweetheart neckline top will look so good with this skirt. Very banging. You can add a belt to it. If your soldier don't feel like the pain is not adding enough security for you, you can add a belt to this particular look and you love it. And for me, I'm loving this look because it's really, really nice, beautiful, and fun. I love how it turned out. So yeah, this is a very simple way, or an arc that you can use to shorten your skirt, and not just shorten it, but just create a kind of interest in the outfit. So you take it from boring to very, very, very interesting outfit. So yeah, what do you guys think about the particular? I always had this thing with my belt. Sometimes when you wear your belt, like this is an example of my belt, is obviously bigger than my waist. So when you're able to fit it in, you still have this extra part of it that will be hanging. And when you're moving, it's just going like this too. So I find it very, very, very uncomfortable. So I saw several acts for belts and I tried several. And one of the acts is the one that turned my belt into this. You guys can see it's already ruined my belt because of so much navigation trying to create different design and arc with it. So this particular arc, I wish I had seen this arc before I did this to my belt. So this one, you wear your belt, then you use your hair tie. This type of hair tie are really, really needed for every day. Every day needs this particular hair tie. So this hair tie, you use it to hold it back. The reason why this hair tie comes in handy, no matter the color of anything, if you're using black hair tie, it hides it in. And moreover, when you fold your tops over your belt, it covers the fact that you're using an hair tie on it. So it's something that I really, really love, and I've been trying out, and I love this. I highly recommend this because it keeps your belt in shape, doesn't ruin your belt, and you always have your belt this for a longer period. And it takes that annoying part of your belt, giving you this tap tap when you're moving around. So yeah, I love this particular act. And you the best for the last. Yeah, this is my favorite of the favorites of all the acts that I really do love. So this act, we normally like all these tops that have a very long neck. I wish I can find it so I can. So anyway, I'll show you guys this act. It has a very long rope in front and you'll be struggling to tie it. And this one is actually soft, unlike the other one that seems to be thicker that I also have. But this particular, whenever I do it on it doesn't work. But this particular soft sheer top that I have with a very long, neck or tie, whatever they call it. Anyway, you sit in inside. I saw this arc by this Asian lady, and how she was able to make a flower out of it. Sitting inside, she was able to use like an air tie, but I use a rubber band because I want something that's flexible on it. Then you now open it up after folding it, tie it to the rubber band and open it up into a flower, or more like, yes, like whatever type of flower you can think here, but it just spread out and looks like a very cute flower. Gosh, ever since I did that arc, I've been wearing this. Whenever I wear this top, I can't wear the top like that anymore. Why? Money can make it more interesting. Instead of trying to create a bow that I struggle with. You know how it is now. Bow in primary school, I don't know how to tie a bow properly. Even when it comes to bow in your real life, thank God I'm a woman, I don't need a bow tie. But bow for this particular one, it all looks horrible. Then it's be sitting. Anyway, since I started using this arc, trust me, I wear it to work, wear it with my dress, wear it anywhere. Anytime I pick up this particular top, that's the arc I want to do it. And you can't just dress pass with that arc and nobody will ask you what are you. Like somebody will ask, how did you do this? I like your bow. This one is not just bow, it's flowery bow. Anyway, so this particular arc I do love. I like the way it is on this particular top. And if you have such a top like the one I'm wearing in this instance, what have you been doing to tie that particular? These arcs, like I told you from the beginning of the clip, are arcs that you would definitely use. It's not just arc for arc's sake or cack like I saw in a lady's video. Who said some arcs are actually not practical, not useful, it's a waste of your effort and all that. So which of these arcs have you tried? Which of them will you try using? If you want me to show you, I actually did this ask because you may not have caught it in this video. Let me know in the comment section. I will just link down below the shots of this ask down below so you can look at how I did this and also recreate them for yourself. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. It lets YouTube know that you actually love my video and enjoy my content. See you another time. Bye guys.